Oh yeah, your camera.
But it's not like I can go that high.
Get that going first. All right, run. Hi, I'm a 4th of July themed Twinkie. You're probably wondering, how to get himself in this situation? Well, it all started like this. You've never had a Twinkie.
We've never had a Twinkie.
What do you think it's going to be like?
It smells like cinnamon.
Cinnamon? These are special 4th of July Twinkies.
Yeah, it smells like cinnamon.
It smells like a muffin.
Are you looking?
Okay, I'm just gonna.
All right, go.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's icing.
Dylan, you don't look like you like it.
I love it.
I don't know if I like it or not. It tastes like actual bread and then chemicals.
Mine tastes like goodness and a unicorn.
See, this was never supposed to be about me. This was supposed to be about a lot of other stuff, like freedom and flags and food and fireworks and stuff like that. And then this happened. What are we doing today?
Blowing stuff up
And why are we blowing stuff up?
because it's 4th of July.
And what do we do on the 4th of July?
Blow stuff up.
Exactly right. Name one thing we're going to blow up today.
A plum, a lemon, a peach.
Why are we doing this?
In the name of science.
In the name of science and in the name of
Fun.
fun. And it's fun to blow stuff up.
Yes. Yeah.
We talked a little earlier about
Structural integrity.
what are the words we're looking for here? What?
Structural integrity.
Say it louder.
Structural integrity.
Integrity.
You say it.
Structural integrity.
What does it mean?
I'm gonna go look at the dictionary.
So at that point, everything seemed cool. It was 4th of July fruit salad time. Step back over here.
Blow it up.
Here we go. Step over by Mommy's car.
I don't think it's smart to be like standing right here.
Go, go, go.
Here we go.
Oh, that one's going fast.
It's gone.
Oh, the phone got cranked too. And then they realized there was only one thing they had left to blow up. And that was me. Wait, what'd you say?
Never had a Twinkie before.
Why?
The 21st century, those were like a 20th century thing when you were a child.
That's not cool.
God, it is.
Alright, so, what do you think is going to happen when we blow up a Twinkie?
It's gonna go everywhere. It's gonna mess up the garage, mess up my face, mess up his
Your
face.
face is already messed up.
Oh! Is that what you kids call savage these days?
I guess.
So I guess I'll say it now while I have the chance. Happy 4th of July. See you later.
He's going too?
Get back, get back. Can't run.
Whoa!